In today's video, let's take a look at whether you are better off buying a home or renting a home. First off, let's look at equity building. So when you buy a home, you're building equity with each mortgage payment that you make. Over time, you will gain ownership in the property, which can be a valuable asset in the long run. Now, renting, on the other hand, generally does not provide this opportunity for wealth accumulation. The next thing is stable payments. So with a fixed rate mortgage, your monthly payments remain relatively stable over the life of the loan, providing budget predictability. In contrast, rent prices can increase annually based on market conditions. So with home ownership, you have the potential for appreciation. So historically, real estate has generally appreciated in value over time. So by owning a home, you could potentially benefit from its appreciation, allowing you to sell it at a later date for more profit. Also, customization. So when you own a home, you have the full freedom to customize and personalize any space to your liking. Well, renting usually comes with limitations on modifications and design choices. So if your rental has a shag carpet or some hideous paint color, then you could possibly be stuck with that. So long-term stability is another one. So owning your home can provide a sense of stability, especially if you plan to stay in that location for an extended period of time. It also eliminates concerns about lease renewals and, again, whatever your landlord decides to do with their property. So let's look at your retirement planning. Owning a home can be part of your long-term financial planning for retirement. So once your mortgage is paid off, your housing expenses may decrease significantly, providing you with more financial security during your retirement years. But buying a home is not for everyone. So here's some reasons to be a perpetual renter. Flexibility. So renting provides greater flexibility to move without the commitment and hassle of selling a property. This can be beneficial if your job or your personal circumstances require you to relocate frequently. Renting also offers lower upfront costs. So buying a home typically requires a substantial down payment, closing costs, and ongoing maintenance expenses. So renting often involves lower upfront costs and less responsibility for repairs. So market conditions when you're renting. We all know, real estate can be unpredictable. So if you buy a home during a period of high pricing and the market subsequently has a downturn, then you could end up with a property that's worth less than what you paid for, which is what a lot of us seen in 2008. Maintenance and repairs. So as a homeowner, you're responsible for maintenance and repairs. These costs can add up over time. So if you are a renter, you typically rely on your landlord to address any issues like that. Ultimately, the decision to buy or rent should be based on your financial situation, your long-term goals, lifestyle preferences, and the specific conditions of the housing market in your area. It is wise to carefully evaluate the pros and cons before you go ahead and make your decision. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.